Really, do you want to improve your VFX project with your mobile device? You are in the right place. Hi everyone, this is Dyson. Welcome to my channel. Okay, why mobile apps? Why I am doing this one? You see, the world is shrinking with new technology. Of course, the computer and mobile devices are not the same anymore. They were big and huge back then, but these days, you see, they getting small and more powerful. And this is also true about mobile apps. We used them as a toy before, I know that, but these days they are getting more powerful. And of course, we have ray tracing available on mobile devices, for Christ's sake. This is big deal, man, and that's the future, I guess. And that's why the big companies are adapting new technology and creating their apps. Okay, this is exciting. Let's begin. You see, 3D scanning is so important in VFX or 3D project. If you want an accurate model, probably you need to scan that. Of course, you can use it as a reference or do a cleanup because it's not perfect yet, and do a cleanup and use it in actual project. For that, I recommend two apps. The first one, of course, the Reality Scan by Epic. You see, this app is so powerful and can produce high quality 3D model. Of course, they are using photogrammetry as a method for capturing the details. That means you can give them enough picture of your object and they will do the magic for you. The second one, of course, CreEngine. This app is so good and powerful, of course. They use photogrammetry and nerf, and that's good solution for the reflective object or shiny object. This is pain in the for photogrammetry. They should use nerf for that. Of course, tell me your favorite 3D scan app in comment section. Okay, motion capture. You see, these days, a stupid bug. Okay. These days, of course, if you want more accurate animation of your subject, let's suppose your subject are human, you need probably use the motion capture because it's not worth it to animate that by hand. Of course, motion capture has many benefits. I see the VFX artists lately use motion capture as a replaces for 3D rotoscoping for their VFX shot, of course, and this is an awesome method. For this one also I recommend two apps. Okay, for face movement I recommend Live Link by Epic. Of course, this is a link or a bridge for capturing your face movement for MetaHuman Animator, and this is an awesome high quality motion capture with single iPhone. Okay, this is the first recommendation. And of course, it's worth to mention they have a VCam app for camera movement. And the second one, of course, Move One by Move AI. Of course, this is suitless, markless motion capture solution with one mobile device. Of course, this is for full body animation. I use that in this playlist, and of course, this is an awesome solution for full body animation. Okay, video, audio editing. Did you know I edit all my YouTube video, including this one, with these two apps on my mobile device? The first one would be WavePad. This app, of course, it is audio editing, and this is a powerful one, outdated one, of course, and this app it's so powerful. For example, I do this reverb out with this app. Hear it? You see? That's awesome. The second one, of course, it's Video Leap. Video Leap app, it's so powerful. I edit all my video with this one. It's have AI feature, of course, AI expandable frame. This one, you see that? This is an awesome. And of course, a lot of transition, a lot of color grading by AI. And this is a new feature. I love that. And of course, all that filter. I love this video app. And of course, I'm so grateful to have these apps beside me. Okay, with that, see you in the next one. Goodbye.